Welcome back. Elizabeth, Darla, welcome to the showcase round. George, let's see the first showcase, please.
All right, Drew, Darla, and Elizabeth, we're going green with this showcase, and it starts when you add a little green to your meals with freshly chopped herbs from your indoor herb garden. Grow fresh organic greens all year round in this energy-efficient 32-watt LED herb grower from Danby. Plus, these 4 high-carbon stainless steel Woostoff knives each feature triple riveted handles, kitchen shears, sharpening steel, and block included. Next, we're going to throw down some serious green with $1,500 in cash. And finally, your friends will be green with envy when they check out your new car. It's the Nissan Versa S Plus. Comes equipped with a 1.6-liter engine, continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, splash guards, plus paint and fabric protection, carpeted floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, illuminated kick plates, interior accent lighting, vehicle tracking and recovery, and cargo organizer. So, it's an indoor herb garden and new cutlery, $1,500 in cash, and a brand new car. It's yours if the price is right.
Thank you, everybody. Darla.